Hello, and welcome to a tutorial on how to use Gimp Photo Editing Software to create layers with your images. As you see here, this is the end product where you'll have a background image, you'll have clipboard images, and then you'll have your head cutout that you're going to layer. So let's minimize this and get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open Gimp Photo Editing Software. Then you want to go select your images. So to do that, you're going to start by visiting File. Sorry, make sure my GIMP is selected. File, Open. And you're going to select your background image. I go Open. There we go. Make that bigger. There we go. Perfect. Once I have my background image selected, I'm going to get my clip art and my headshot. So I'm going to go Open. I'm going to get Francesca's head. Open. And what I need to do now, because Francesca's head is open on a different window, I need to get her head over here. So to do that, I'm going to right click, I'm going to go Edit, I'm going to copy, I'm going to go to my background, right click, Edit, and I'm going to paste. Now that her head is here, I need to turn her head into a layer. So to do that, I'm going to come over here, I'm going to right click, oops, and go to a new layer. You'll notice now her little head pops up here. And I'm going to go back here. I'm going to close that window because I no longer need it open. So without saving. Now that I have Francesca's head, I need to get her clip art image. So File, Open, and Francesca wants to be, I need to go into my, oh here we go, wants to be a dolphin. Oh no, that's that dolphin. Where's there you go. That's what Francesca wants to be. So open that. Same thing like before, I need to copy it. So I can either right click or to go Command C, visit my backdrop, Command V. And just like I did with Francesca's head, I need to turn my dolphin into a layer. So I'm going to go over here, right click, to new layer. Now if I take my cursor and I have my dolphin selected over here, I can move the dolphin. And if I want to move Francesca, I click here and I can move her. I want to go and close my dolphin. And there we go. So now that I have my images, I'm going to make my page a little bit bigger. And I'm going to layer the images. So first of all, I'm going to decide where I want my dolphin. I'm going to put my, or maybe it's a whale actually. Put my whale over here. I think I want it to be a little bit bigger. So I'm going to click my scale tool. And I'm going to click my dolphin. Oh, I don't want to scale Francesca's head yet. Ah, it's because Francesca's selected. I'm going to go over here. There we go. And I choose to use the corners to make my dolphin bigger. And I can go Enter to make her bigger. And now that I have the dolphin that way, I'm going to turn it. I'm going to turn it a little bit. So, I'm going to turn the dolphin about there. Again, press Enter. And there the dolphin's like that. Oops. Enter. Rotate. Okay, now that I've got the dolphin where I want it, I want to place Francesca's head over the dolphin. So I'm going to make sure I select Francesca. I select to move her, and I want to move her. Now you notice that Francesca is now under the dolphin. We want to move her ahead of the dolphin. So if we go down here, we see these green arrows. We want to move her up. Perfect. Now we need to resize Francesca's head so that it fits on the dolphin's body. So let's just see that. Enter. And move her over. Okay, I think I need to turn her so she fits there. So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to rotate. Enter, or rotate. Okay, I think I need to do it a little bit more. And it kind of looks a bit funny with the whale. So I'm going to move it actually. So again, I need to select. There we go, I got the whale. And I want the whale a bit more like that so Francesca's more up. Rotate. Click the other layer. There we go. Now I'm going to drop Francesca down. So she's about there. And I'm going to rotate her head. There we go. Let's see how that works. Enter. Oh, a little bit too much. And as you see, you kind of just have to go between rotating tool and sizing tool to see what works. Of course, rotate, move for tool. There you go. Let's see if try and cover. There we go. What do we think? Looks good. So now it looks like Francesca is the head of the dolphin. So once we have positioned where we want our clip art and our head to be, we now want to merge it together so that we don't accidentally move them. So to do that, we want to go Command M, expand as necessary, merge. And now they're all one. If we kind of go back down for size, there we go, we can see Francesca there on the background. So what you want to do is you want to continue doing these steps, going and retrieving your clip art image and your head. Remember, you want to, in the window, you want to copy the body, paste it on the background image, copy the head, paste it on the background image. You also don't want to forget to create your layers by right-clicking over here and going New Layer, and clicking in between the layers, moving your object, resizing it, rotating it to get the final result that you want. When you're finished and you've completed the whole page, like you would see here, you then want to save it as a PNG. So to do that, let's minimize this, you're going to go File, you're going to export it, and you're going to obviously make sure to save it in your Dropbox. You're going to name it your project. It's Alex's project. And you want to save it as a PNG. Okay, when you're done that, you're going to export it and it will be all ready. So I'm just going to cancel that for now because one other thing I want to show you is that, as you can see, I'm obviously not done here. And what I want to make sure is that I don't want to export it yet because I'm not completed the assignment. So if I've done some work and I need to save it so that I can continue working on it next time, I would actually go File, Save As, and I would save it as an XCF file. Okay? Again, save it in your Dropbox so that other group members can find it. But you do want to save it in XCF. And only when you are done your whole project do you want to, why can't I find, sorry, only at that point do you want to export it. Okay? So while you're still continue working on it, you're going to save as or save it. And when you're done the entire project, you're going to export it. So I wish you luck with your project, and I look forward to seeing your results.